Right after Pearl, it became clear how badly we'd misjudged Japan's intentions and capabilities. We were getting our ass kicked all over the Pacific Theater. We weren't just fighting a country. We were fighting a whole different way of thinking. I was deployed to the Philippines. Japanese forces were swarming all over the islands. They captured territory north of Luzon, were pushing south. On arrival, my orders were to report to Admiral
Damn side of the world, Walker. I understand you personally shot down numerous enemy aircraft and sunk Jap submarines at Pearl. Quite nice, considering you've been too busy drinking beer and chasing skirt all night to report for duty on board your vessel.
Guilty as charged, sir.
You're under my command now, and I do not, repeat, not expect my officers to be making whoopee and chugging alcohol in a combat zone. We have a Chinese invasion fleet heading straight for us. I've briefed Lieutenant Kennedy on your arrival. You'll take flotilla command.
Aye, aye, Admiral.
General quarters. Enemy aircraft incoming. All combat vessels evacuate the harbor. Repeat, all combat vessels evacuate the harbor.
Get us moving, goddammit! Engine's not firing, sir. No shit, sailor. Keep and take a few of them with us.
Notch another one up to the good guys. Enemy squadron destroyed, sir. We have incoming enemy aircraft. We got him rivaled, sir. That's one less enemy pilot. We got another one. We nailed him, sir. We are coming under enemy fire.
We've got juice! Good job, sailor.
We got one! Ah, there goes another one! Target aircraft has been neutralized, sir. All in the sky, sir. Sir, we're under attack! We're sinking! All hands, abandon ship! We've blown them out of the sky, sir. We hit one. We are coming under enemy fire. Enemy air forces are inbound. Got him! We got him. Enemy squadron is down. Enemy squadron destroyed, sir. Notch another one up to the good guys. Intercept was successful. Bogies are down. We have incoming enemy aircraft. Enemy squadron has been destroyed, sir. Target is going down. We got him. Enemy squadron is down. Sir, we're under attack. We got one.
PT 108 reporting. We've cleared the harbor.
All ears. Lieutenant Walker, the enemy troop ships have deployed landing craft. Destroying these is your new priority. Get in close and counterattack with machine gun fire.
Aye, aye, Admiral. We're moving to engage.
All right, bag me another one. Enemy squadron destroyed, sir. We have incoming enemy aircraft. Coming under enemy fire. She's had it. Sir, we have sighted an enemy.
Time to take down the big boys. Those troop ships will shrug off machine gun fire. You're gonna have to deploy torpedoes.
Aye, aye, sir.
This is Lieutenant Kennedy, PT-109. We're making a torpedo run on the transports.
We got another one. Maybe, we're going down. We did it. She's heading for the coral. She's going down. She's had it. We hit one. She's sinking.
Outstanding, Walker. That's the last of them. Now, clean up the rest of those landing craft.
Lieutenant Kennedy here. Target destroyed. We're returning to defend the lagoon.
Enemy vessel is heading for the bottom, sir. We got one. We got him. Enemy squadron is down. We have incoming enemy aircraft. We nailed them, sir. We got another one. We got him round, sir. We've blown them out of the sky, sir. Enemy air forces are inbound. Sir, we're under attack. lost an enemy vessel. We got him riled, sir. We are enemy vessel is headed.
That's for my beaches.
Got any Irish blood in you, Walker? Only it's a long time since I saw a man enjoy a fight so much.
They started it, Lieutenant.
Mr. Walker,
Sir?
we're evacuating the area.
Evacuating? We just held our position.
First thing a warrior needs to learn, Walker, is not it's when to. This was just a holding exercise to give us time to prepare for a fallback.
I've crossed thousands of miles of ocean just